Right. So we've talked about coins. We've talked about packs. We've said that everything's about these packs, right? So what I'll do is I'll open a pack. So there's this one pack, gold pack. I can do silver or bronze, but we know we need to get better players. We know we want a better team in our thing. And we know we want to pack better players to improve our team to get better, right? So what I'll do is I'll buy this premium gold pack, which is 150 coins. So you can see you can't buy 150 coins. You can only buy 250 or 100. So it's going to cost £1.80 for 250 coins, right? So in theory, what you can do... Alright, yeah. So 150 coins will buy you one gold pack and one premium gold pack, right? So let's open it. I've got enough coins, haven't I, to do both of these. So what will happen is you will buy your coins. You'll buy your FIFA coins. You buy your FIFA coins, or you've earned coins, right? So I've got 13,000 coins. I can buy a pack for 7,500 or 150 FIFA points. So these are what you pay for. These are what you earn in the game, right? So I'm going to open. Are you sure? Yes, let's do it, right? And now you're going to get these doors. What you're opening is to have a ribbed door. It is a rib, so it's a better player. If it's plain, you get a flashy. This is just a basic board. Oh no, Greek. It is a decent-ish player. It's an Arsenal. It's Socrates. So this is what they want to do. They want to get into this. That was actually a really good one. They want to get into this. The only one that's better than it is the icons and what they call a walkout. A player walks around when you've got over 80 odd. But that was a really actually good example of what people want. This is an over 80 rated player. You could have got a 70 rated player in that pack too. But I got an 84 Arsenal player and a lot of other things in this pack, right? So I got a 77 rated player. So the first player is always the best player. Whatever you get in that tunnel is the best player. Then you get all these other things, contracts, fitness, player healing, badges, King Power Stadium. If you're a Leicester fan, you might. And you can quick sell them, or you can send them to transfer market, right? So the ones that are a little bit shinier are rare players versus dull, right? So you can quickly sell these. I got hundreds of these. And you can see, for my 7,500 coins, I'm going to get 612 quick sold back. So this guy's 616 for quick sell, so let's just quick sell him for 1,200. But it cost me 7,500 coins, didn't it? Now my hope is Socrates, which was my best player, is he selling? So 11,000, 14,000, 16,000. So he's selling on the transfer market around 15,000 coins, isn't he? So in theory, that pack pays for itself with that one player. Only so what I'm looking at really is buy now price, because this is the auction price where it begins. So yes, it's 9,000. So you can buy one for 12, 17, 17, 15, 14, 12 again. So it's really a 12,000 coin player, and I can send him to the transfer market, or I can put him in my team, right? So I can just straight up send him to the transfer market with all my other players, or I can quick sell him, or I can add him in my team, right? I only have English players, so I'm not adding him. So that pack that costs 7,500 coins is, I got 2,000 coins back into that, and I've got one player for my transfer market, right? So now, because I'm going to be doing that 250 coins, I've actually got 2,000 coins back, so I've got enough to open another pack. So I want to open, this one gets me 12 gold and 1 rare. This gets me 12 gold and 3 rares. So hopefully one of them being a rare player. So this is where the addiction hits in, and I want to open the gold pack. I've just got enough money to open the premium one versus this one. And I'm going to go for it again, look. Are you sure? Yes. So this is where the addict, again, I want the ribbed side. So this one's plain. This is a rubbish one. This is a rubbish pack. This is just, look, Sterling 80 at Roma. It opened up straight away. There were no fancy walk, was there? And this is the best player in the pack, right? So it was a good example of the two packs versus each other. Now this pack, 7,500 coins it cost. I can compare prices for Sterling, right? And compared to that Socrates, which is only four rating better, but he was a rare player. Look, 350. Buy now, 1,500 coins. 10 and 10 and 10. 3,000, 3,000. 3,000. People selling him quickly for 3,000 coins. This is that buy now here. 2, 3. 1, 5. So the best player in that 7,500 coin pack is only selling for 3,000. This is a rare contract. See, the rare one, you get 28 games versus this is the, for a gold player, you get 28 games out of them versus 13. Squad modifier. So I can sell all them for 1,298 coins. Now bear in mind that cost me 7,500 coins, right? I'm going to keep Smalling because I'm building an England team. It's English, right? And I'm going to quickly sell them, or I'm going to send them to the transfer market. But how many are they really worth, right? So I accept and sell, and I'm down to 983 coins from having 13,000, aren't I? I've got that one player that I hope to sell, but you can see all of a sudden the addiction of opening packs, of seeing what can you possibly get. You know, I got a Ronaldo 94, sold him for 570,000 coins just from opening a pack, right? So I can sell this player. We know that he goes for about 10,000. So I'm going to say 9,000 to start, and let's see. I'll put him up for 12,000 buy now, right? List on transfer market. So I'm hoping to get 12,000 coins back. It's probably going to go right to the start of the list because these are all up for a day. It's going to go here, right? Buy now. It's going to last for an hour. People may bid 9,000, or they might just straight out buy him for 12,000, right? So that's how coins work. That's how packs work. That's the addiction of opening packs and hoping to get great players to either put in your squad to increase your squad, to sell, or to put in your squad builder to complete squad builder challenges, right?